In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this OPPO, you don't need any app cloner or special code or download anything from your browser. That's because this OPPO allows you to clone any app, or at least 99% on this device. To do that, go into Settings and scroll to hit Apps section located here. Then choose App Cloner and either tap on one of your recommended apps to clone it, or hit Other apps and clone one of those. Either way, when you're ready, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my app was successfully cloned. Now to rename it, hit Rename App Clone and type in whatever you want to. Then hit Save in the pop-up. You need to also tap on Default App to open and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you're ready, just go back. So now when I try to find my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. Now to get rid of this clone, you can either hold it like any other app and tap on Uninstall, then confirm your choice in the pop-up, or go back into the same settings and use blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!